Hello, good people. The man in my life bought me a brother sewing machine. Let me see if I can spin this around so you can see. The other one I had went kaput. I mean, just stopped mid-track and just act like it had a heart attack. So, knowing that I like to sew, and it's my hobby, for a Christmas present, he got me a brother PE570. Exactly what I wanted, what I mentioned to him that I would like to have, and he went out and got it. Brother, not a sister or cousin, a brother. Anyway, I'm gonna stop acting crazy right about now, if that's possible, that is. We're gonna open this bad boy up and see what they got inside. Here we go. Brother, what you got going on? It's a brother sewing machine. If there's this is not an advertisement. I just like brother as a product, and there's no commission involved. I just wanted you all to see my present. It's a brother. All right, they got all kind of stuff in here. Whatever this is, I like it. Uh-oh. Looks like some kind of visor. I'll have to read up on what this is. Ta-da! And there's some kind of, whatever that is. I'll read the instructions later. Okay. I got a new sewing machine. I'm so happy. I just broke the other one yesterday. All night long, I was having nightmares about not being able to sew anything. Okay, we got one of these little arm things. I'll show it to you. This comes with it. It's like an extension that helps you sew. And I make things like, something like that. I make things like book sleeves, Bible sleeves, computer sleeves. I make little purses that ladies can put, not a big purse, a little small purse. Like, let me show you one. Like this. Let's say you want to put the ladies need to put their essentials in it. You know what I mean? They come around once a month. You can put them in here, throw it in the car, just for emergencies, of course. You always should have an emergency bag with little stuff in it. You never know where you might decide to go that evening. Anyway, here's a whole book. A book full of instructions. Leave that later. Sewing machines are sewing. More stuff. Now, the brother. It's beautiful. Come on out of there, brother. Now, it's not real heavy. It's just that I'm an old broad, and heavy things are not my thing. But I wanted him to leave so I could go play with my sewing machine. Ta-da! Woohoo! Brother! Ain't he pretty? Can you see my brother? Brother. Not my cousin. Zip. Got some kind of art thing. It's computerized. Look at that. It's computerized. Now, I'll come back and let you know some other things at another little time, because I gotta set my brother up and get to sewing, because sewing is my hobby. Along with, I got a little business called Home Collective Design, and I love being creative and crafty. Now, I don't make clothes, Because women are finicky folks. You make a dress for them, they'll decide it don't fit right, don't look right, don't want it, and will return it. No, I cannot get involved. All right, my friends, brother, we're going to test it out. I'll be back. You all have a wonderful holiday season. And as you can see, mine has already started. Have a good day and get yourself a hobby. Bye now.